help. That is just kind of sad. Video that too for you. But yeah, this is the classic no torque, then the torque dip, and then you finally get a little something at the end, but by then it's too late and everyone else around you is mad at you for being so slow. We're gonna fix that.
Yeah, right now it's gutless, but we'll get some instant torque with the supercharger.
So imagine buying a car that everyone already complains about the lack of torque at sea level, and then taking it up where it has about 30% less power and trying to show it off to your friends. It's really not happy. It takes drastic measures, and boost is the best thing you can do.
Yeah. At least it looks nice.
Yeah, all right, well, let's do another pull having said that. Much better. I'd say we've arrived at what it really makes. That first pull, it was a little bit lower than this, but this is a great baseline because now we know what we've made and now we know what we can improve upon. And it appears we can improve upon a lot. Badass, folks. So let me show you quickly what we're working with here. This is a BRZ. It's a 2019 model. This car only has 1,900 miles on it. It is running the Edelbrock kit, but I don't really know how to tune with the Ecutech stuff. I love Ecutech. I used to use it all the time, but I'm not good with the BRZs. So we went ahead and just notified the customer that we're not good with that, and that there is a standalone we could use. And they went for it. I can't believe how well this drives. I've always shied away from these cars because I've never seen one that I really enjoyed the way it was tuned. There's AFRs and other stuff. But the truth is, this is the computer we're using. This is actually just an amazing computer. I think it's a little bit daunting. It's the Motec M150 plug and play. We're running flex fuel on it.